This is our new LSG heavy duty snake for 1 3/8 to 2 inch drill line. It's made up of a ball bearing swivel rated at 12,000 pound workload and 2 grips, 1 3/8 to 2 inch. It's rated for 9,600 pound workload. The way it's put together is remove the pins out of the swivel. Put the grip into the swivel, the head of the grip into the swivel, and replace the pins. Tighten the pins down. Your assembly is ready to go. The grips themselves are a one-time use only. The ball bearing swivel inspect after each use, and if it's in good condition, you can use it again and again.